Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to create the annotation and launching in a drawing on 3D Experience platform. So basically, dimension are used to define the size, which is help to conveying the design intent on a part. So dimension are required in a production drawing for the manufacturing of the part or assembly. So you will find the dimension toolbar in annotation workbench. You can see in drafting. First one is standard layout and annotation. Okay, in this dimension tool you will find text. The first dimension tool is text, which is generally used to create the text and the text with leader. Then second one is table, or here it is generally used to create the table, bill of material and balloons. And third one is dimension. It is basically used for creating various type of a dimension, such as chain dimension, cumulative dimension, stack dimension, then chamfer dimension, thread dimension. Then fourth one is your datum feature, which is generally used to denote datum feature, datum target, geometrical tolerance and the roughness of the symbol. Okay, then comes to this area fill, which is you allow to select the area fill, insert the picture and arrow. Then next one is axis and thread. So which is generally used to creating the axis, creating line, center line and thread symbol on the whole in a part. Okay, now the first thing is creating text. Thing is creating the text. So how to create the text? You just go to this first one, text tools, click on the text. Let this is my, so how to create the text? Let the I just activate my main view and I will write the text here, front view, front view. Okay, then here I will write this one, right side view, but I want in the right side view. Double click on it and go to this text, right view. Okay, then similarly this is your isometric view. Just activate the frame. Here it is, isometric view. Okay, now the next one is your bottom view. So just I'm just activating the bottom view, the bottom view. Okay, in this way we can create the text. You can go with the text ladder. Just I mean just click about this. I want, let I want to show this is the surface, so I will go to this text with ladder. You can see like that. Here text one with ladder, just typing this one. Okay, okay, you can manipulate this option. Okay, for that, how what you need to do is you just go to this preference, and here you will get the drafting. Here you will the drawing. In drawing you will see the standard. Then your general preference unit, what is the unit, then display. You can see the all this thing in your, then go to the view. While creating the view, what you need want, generating axis, generating center line, you can customize this one also. Insert 3D color projection wireframe, you can configure this thing also. Extract view, clipping view, then generation, here also. Okay, Then annotation and dress up. You can see creating orientation, like creating leader extreme normal to the process, text will be created, geometrical tolerance will be created, create rigid personal joint. So if according to your requirement you just check on. And here dimension, in dimension line. Okay, in handling you just you can modify this one. While modification you can uh, check on move the dimension, or you can modify the blanking, insert text before. You can add all these thing according to your requirement. Okay, just apply. Okay, now comes to the properties. So I we can go with this, all these property. Just going to the properties, view properties, generation. While creating the while gen Now I want the hidden line, axis, central line, thread, uh, this thing I want in the view. So just apply it. You can see all these thing comes in the view. Okay, here it is hidden line. So I will of this hidden line. Okay, no need hidden line of the isometric view. Okay, now I can create the table here according. If you want to show something in tabular form, you can create the table and type it. Let this is my table and I can type. Okay, then you can go to the bill of material. Whatever the bill of material is attached to your drawing model, it will show here. Okay, you can edit this one also by double click it. You can add or remove. Okay, now 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 this one is your balloon. Okay, we can create the balloon also. Balloon creation is generally used in assembly design. You can see the number of part one. Okay, now comes to the dimension workbench. Okay, so in dimension workbench you will find the normal dimension. Let you can see this is my normal dimension. I'm just selecting it. Normal dimension is coming. Selecting this. Okay, normal dimension came. But if you want the second type of change dimension, you can see change dimension is you just click on the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. No need to click on the first line again. You can click it multiple line. Okay, multiple dimension will come at a time. Okay, from that line. Then here it is cumulative dimension. Cumulative dimension you just see here. It will take this one as the center. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will take the first point as a center point. Okay, you can see from this point to this it is 35. Then from this point to second line it is 50. Like that it is creating the dimension. Now comes to the third one is stack up dimension. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. So you can see here it is creating the dimension first to this, the dimension, the first one to second one the dimension, third one it is individual dimension will created. Then chamfer, if you have any chamfer, it will create the dimension, it will give the dimension. Okay, now datum visual, datum also you can add apply in the dimension. Then the surface structure, generally it is used in your welding design. Then arrow, you can fill the area. Let this is, I want to fill this area, to fill some area, I can fill it to show the, I'm just showing this hole to in this bottom side view, I can fill this one. Then insert picture, I can insert any of the picture. See, I can insert any of the picture in here. Okay, then arrow, I can denote anything by using arrow and make these two text also. Click over it, text also we can write. Then axis line, this thing we can do in properties or by using this method. Hope you got the concept of the annotation toolbar in drafting workbench on 3D experience platform. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.